Hello and welcome back to Jack's Real Adventures. Today we're fishing on a local river. It's the same river as we normally fish, but it is a different stretch today. Hopefully we'll get a few.
You got it?
Oh, it's snug.
Huh?
It's snug.
Just take your time.
I can feel it.
How come you've got one and I haven't?
Because I'm just a better angler than you. Oh no!
What?
Oh, it's fine. No, because that's no snakes.
Jesus, it's a good size. Oh no.
Right, so we've just had one. Five minutes after we cast out. I just sat down to do the intro, and the drag just screamed off. Mental. Hopefully we'll get a few more. Why is it like curl its tail around? I don't know which one to look at.
Right, you gonna wait?
Yeah.
Show the haters it's zeroed. £15.12, so nearly £16.
The 13 pound then. Oh, I've got cramp. You ready?
Yeah, man.
You gonna go underwater?
Good.
Just stay out of the water until it's out the net. Stop swimming. You do that when you're up there. Right, go underwater. Yes. Yeah, it's on. Yes. Got one.
Steady, let me just take it down.
Like shooting fish in a barrel.
What's he do different to me?
Can you get down there because it looks like it's fairly hit? Oh, that's a run.
I'm getting out of here.
I just did. Is it in or not?
No. That looks like a 20.
It doesn't look like a 20, like.
It's a good fish.
Zeroed out. You see it?
Yeah. That'll keep the haters hating.
You can see it from my hand.
Jesus, 15.6.
Show them the whole net.
Yep. Good lad. Just put them on there. There's an angler there, Jack.
Eh?
An angler.
Hold your camera straight. The other one.
Yep.
Right, video? You videoing?
Yep.
Video underwater. Sat there. Now it's gone. Ledger in.
Yep.
Come get up the hill. What are you doing?